And this is the nesting material I use for the nest. I put newspaper underneath and nesting on top, make it just nice and comfortable. Hatchwell's Pet Products is the name of the company. There you go. Regular feed, the seed is Colonel's bird food that they have, that I top up daily. Sprinkle this on this seed every day. It's crushed charcoal, which helps to break down the seeds and helps, also it keeps their digestion clear. It says it absorbs toxins, so they get a sprinkle of that on their food all the time. Also give them a sprinkle of this high energy Budgie tonic, it's called. Just some of that, sprinkle some of that on the top. The parents, when they've had little chicks, I give them some of the superior egg food. I put that in their tray. Like that. I'll just sprinkle it. I add some of this to the water in there, the drinking water in the hang down jug, and then they have just a bowl of a little container of clear water there for each preference. So these are vitamin drops for caged birds, all sorts of nice vitamins in there, so I drop some of that in, make sure they have that fresh water every day. There it is. This is it's called Aviform Pro-Light Seed Powder Recovery Tonic, suitable for all cage and aviary birds, avian approved probiotic and a prebiotic, electrolytes for use in seed, soft food or water. Made in the UK, which is always a wonderful surprise because most things are made in China. So it's 2 scoops per half litre of drinking water or 500 grams of seed of soft food. So there you go, here's that. Baby spinach, they absolutely adore. That's part of their staple diet every single day. Fresh spinach for them. It's really the only fruit and veg I've been able to they've been interested in. I haven't persevered with others. I just give them an opportunity, an option, and they seem to have just really stuck to the spinach. They get cuttlefish. They have a chunk of cuttlefish in there at in the cages or hanging in the aviary. And I also make sure that there's a block of iodized condition pack, which also helps good health. It has calcium, yeast, kelp, iodine and selected grits, so they always have that available at all times. And other than that, they have I'll purchase these for occasional treats. The honey bar, it's a natural honey enriched treat. They also obviously have millet. This one's pretty much done. and one other thing that they get, well, a couple of things actually. One other thing, finally, I will sprinkle some of this in their feed, which is a fruit cocktail, which is again just a little extras that I'll do just to make it a little bit more interesting for them. And there you see the crushed shell. That also helps with their condition. So they have quite a few different little things to hopefully keep them as healthy as possible. This is the millet they get from the pet shop, a great little pet shop in Hassocks, who's very generous with his millet bunches that they get, and make sure they have that regularly, which they love.